My dearest Chi, my love. They say every love story is unique. Ours began with a prayer. The rest is history, mahal. After kitang pinag-pray, naniniwala ako na you are God's gift in human form.
Aking tuwin ay
Love, when I think about how we started, just talking until late hours, sharing all our life secrets and stories, it feels like destiny. Parang itinadhana talaga. And I'm so thankful to those talks finally led us sa moment na ito, being here together.
kahit kailan hindi kaiwan. Pangako sa iyo, hindi ko bibitawan ang iyong mga kamay hanggang ang umaga at ang hapo'y mamatay.
Love is a daily decision. Love means choosing to listen instead of winning. To forgive instead of keeping score. To stay instead of walking away.
Ang aking puso'y nais.
What I love most about you is kung paano ko na-feel na I'm safe and at peace sa tabi mo. Sa pagiging maalaga, maintindihin, at mabuting partner. I really love din yung how you treat me like a Disney princess.
Kahit kailan
Alam nating hindi ito biglaan na buo, itong magandang relasyon natin, itong pagmamahal natin na payapa. I can honestly say there is no one I would rather walk this path with you than you.
I couldn't thank God enough for giving us this perfect moment. Ikaw yung answered prayer na I didn't even know I needed.
I vow to receive you and cherish you as the gift you are every single day.
hanggang wala nang matanaw, mahal kundi ikaw.
Today, I stand proudly beside the man who doesn't just complete me, but who fills my life with unimaginable joy, love, and purpose. Sobrang thankful ako, love, for embracing every part of me and accepting every single one of my flaws and imperfections.
Kahit kailan hindi kaiiwan.
I vow to walk beside you, hand in hand, through every season of life, partner sa lahat ng bagay. I vow to spend my life making sure our family is the healthiest family we can be.
Hindi ko bibitaw.
I will never get tired of you. At kung mapagod man ako, lagi kong babalikan ng araw na to. Mga araw natin na masaya tayo. Mga araw na may problema pero nalalampasan natin.
Pusin natin ang pagsikat ng araw.
Mahal ko, my greatest gift, I cherish you and I vow to protect you and love you till my last breath, today and all our tomorrow.
Alas 8 ng linggo, magkikita tayo sa Binondo, mag-food trip.
I'm so excited, love, to face this new chapter and journey with you. Excited to unlock new goals. But what truly excites me is that knowing na andyan ka para sa akin. Tatayo palagi sa tabi ko.
Kasi pag di ka nakikita, puso ay may eksena. Nais kang magkasama, oras sa pagtulog at pagising. Nais kang makapiling, lagi kang
adversity.